Hello everyone, today I'll show you a very useful video about some hidden features and apps that come pre-installed on your phones. They collect information about how you use apps and then send you ads. This, of course, affects your phone's battery life. Your battery drains faster, and performance drops. Sometimes your phone lags, and you don't know what to do about it. You might also notice something happening when you're not using your phone. It's just sitting on the table, and an hour later you pick it up, and a few percent of the battery has drained. This is because some hidden apps and features are running that you don't use, but you can simply delete or disable them. I'll tell you everything and show you now. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, look, this setting will apply to the Google Play Store. The thing is, this app manages all the other apps. You most likely downloaded all your apps through the Google Play Market. It also has additional controls over each of your apps. Even if you delete an app after installing it and don't like it, Google Play Market will still collect information about how you used it and send you additional ads to encourage you to download it again. To do this, go to Google Play Market and tap on your avatar or the account you have there. Next, find the app manager in the list. Tap on this line. And look, there's a hidden tab here that shows information about apps. Tap here. Here you'll see the apps you have installed on your phone. Now you need to tap on this line that shows the app. A list will open, and you need to tap on the very bottom line, which is called Uninstalled. Tap here. Now you'll see a list of the apps you didn't like and which you've deleted from your smartphone. So, what do I mean? I think a lot of people do this. They just go to Google Play Market. They seem to like some app, and they think, I'll download it, check it out, and if I like it, I'll keep it. But, for example, you click around and don't like something about it, so you just delete it and think you've done it completely. But in reality, Google Play Market keeps a list of all the apps you've deleted from your smartphone. And if you've never visited it, and if you've really downloaded apps a lot, then you'll find them all here. And again, these are the apps you've already deleted. These are not the apps you currently have. So, just select everything. And you'll need to delete them all, because each of these apps is advertised by Google Play Market, and you can often see ads for the specific app you deleted. And that's because advertisers, of course, pay for such ads and want you to install the specific app you like. So, run through this list, because you're also losing additional storage on your device, and just click Delete. Of course, in some cases there could be 500, 600, or even 1,000 such apps. If you've downloaded and deleted them frequently,